In this chat, I'm sharing solid resources to boost your contractor skills, from books to YouTube channels, so you can level up your knowledge and confidence on job sites. Alright, so if you've been around job sites forever like me, but want to fill those knowledge gaps and get a grip on all the different tasks contractors handle, there are some killer resources that can really help. Start with The Complete Visual Guide to Building a House by John Carroll. It's like having a step-by-step walkthrough of everything from framing to finishing, and the pics make it way easier to understand. For textbooks, Carpentry Complete by Andy Engel is a classic that covers lots of trades in detail, plus it's great for beginners and those wanting a refresher. If you're more of a YouTube learner, check out channels like This Old House, Essential Craftsman, and Home Repair Tutor. They break down complex stuff into easy-to-follow videos. Make sure you take notes and try to apply what you watch on small projects or when helping your dad. Also, don't sleep on trade-specific forums and Facebook groups where pros share tips and answer questions. It's like having a mentor on call 24/7. Lastly, keep a notebook with questions or new terms you hear on site and look them up later. It's a simple way to keep growing even when you're not working. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when trying to improve contractor skills is jumping in without a solid foundation, like trying to tackle electrical or plumbing without understanding the basics, which can get dangerous and costly. Another common issue is relying too much on random YouTube clips without picking trusted sources, so you end up confused or learning bad habits. Lastly, not practicing what you learn is a huge roadblock. Watching videos or reading won't stick unless you actually try the skills hands-on, even if it's just small tasks around the house or helping your dad with details. The fix? Start slow, pick reliable resources, and put your learning into action as much as possible. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors, making it easy to find the right pro for your project without the stress. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid platform to find new work and grow your business by getting noticed by people who need your skills.